Hi guys, how are you? Hope you are all good and enjoying best health. Welcome back to my channel Tech Group. Guys, before starting my video, I'm requesting you if you are not subscribed at my channel, subscribe my channel and share with your friends and click the bell icon. Guys, in this video we will learn how to shopping on Daraz application. So first check the Daraz overview. Open your Daraz application, and here you can see different things. Here many things. If you like anything from here, you can order that thing. And if you want other thing, so you can search from here with anything. Here you have many things. Sales. You can check sales button and check the all items here, and also check your fashion, like I like fashions. Click on fashion button. Here you can also check many things. After fashion, here you can check beauty. Click on beauty. Here beauty things you can order, this thing, that things. And here one and last option, mart, that free shipping. You can select mart items. So this is the overview of DAS application. Now we place our order that we want. Hi guys, in this video I will show you that how to buy fashion clock watches for home. So open your DAS application and search here clock for home. home so here you can see different clocks. I like this one clock, so I click on it, and here you can see its prices are 390 for 49 rupees. So set all the things. Here you can see about product details, 7 days to return, no warranty. Read all the things and then click on pay now button. When you click on pay now button, you will show checkout. Here you can put your promo code if you have a promo code, so they will discount you. They give you an advanced discount for this product. So item total 349 rupees, delivery fees 109. Your total payment will be 458 rupees. Click on place order button. When I click on place order button, so here select payment method. I select here easy pesa. When I select on easy pesa, select easy pesa. So here note, ensure your easy pesa account is active, sufficient balance in your account for successful transaction. After read all the things, you click on pay now button. When you click on pay now button, your order will be placed and sent to you in 14 to 15 days. Thanks for watching my video. In this video we will learn how to buy home fashion clock. Thanks for watching my video. See you in my next video. Bye.